guys, welcome back to my channel. Look and Anna. Jodi on pote yon lot bagay pou nou, yon lot bagay nouveau pou nou, c'est yon challenge liye. So challenge sa rele, who's most likely to. So, rete branché, who's most likely to? I don't know. Nou wal find out tale. Nak kon ki yes. So, jodi c'est ti challenge sa mwen pote, mwen souhaite nou enjoy challenge sa. So, nou wal sorti de yon pou nou wè koman sa pral pase. An nou ale ensemble avec mwen pour nous voir comment ça pral passer.
I got 10 questions. Who eat more? Who spends the most? Who likes to travel the most? Who has a better style? Who is more calm? Who's more calm?
Calm? Calm. Oh my gosh! That's twice.
Who most likely to get arrested?
Oh my god!
Who is smarter?
Oh, really? Yay! Really?
Who gets in trouble the most?
Oh my god! Okay, so take a shot.
Who's a better driver?
The thing is, I'm not so good at wet.
Who's cleaner?
Who's cleaner?
Yes.
Ooh. Oh, really? Oh.
Who's most likely to get rich?
Okay.
Who's most likely to be an alcoholic?
That's hard. She likes that. She likes wine a lot. Me? Yes, you.
Who's most likely to drop out of school?
I don't know.
Who's a better singer?
Who's a better singer? I don't know. I never heard. No.
Who lies the most?
I don't know. Okay.
Who's the most crybaby?
Sorry. Wow. Who has the worst vision? Who has the worst vision? I'm wearing glasses. Who has the worst vision? No. Who's most likely to be
Who's older?
Oh.
Who's most likely to get married first? Who's most likely for the marriage to work out?
Ooh.
Who would get hit in a car? By a car? Who's most likely to get hit by a car?
Oh yeah, let's who's more patient?
Who's a better athlete?
Oh.
What? That's Mima. That's
That's
Mima.
Huh?
Mima's a better athlete.
I didn't ask for it.
Athlete, athletic.
Who's more athletic? Yeah. None of us. You don't play tricks, to be honest.
Yeah, but Mima ran track.
Alright, go ahead. She did conditioning. I did conditioning. Put in the video. Keep on starting. It makes it more fun.
Who's more musically inclined?
Ooh. What's up, Deb? Okay. I feel my lotion is running off my legs. Oh my god.
Who?
First follow.
Who most likely to? Shit, I don't know.
Okay, cut. Who's more patient? Who's more patient? It's gonna be me. You're just aiming for me now.
Who's more patient?
Okay, two last one. We done.
Oh, two last ones. Who's more likely to dress boyish? Who likes just?
Who most likely to turn lesbian?
Oh,
I don't know.
Yeah. You got to
More
straight.
lazy.
I got one. Alright, 2 last questions and then we done. 1 for each.
Who's more lazy?
I don't know who it's gonna be for.
Who's more lazy?
Alright, 1 for each.
Who wakes up the latest?
Oh my god. Okay.
Who's lazier? Lazier.
I forgot Talia is for lesbians. I'm sorry, guys.
So that was pointless. Wow. Wow.
Who has the worst vision?
Oh.
And that's it.